Some people turned a few $100s into millions with crypto. Others lost everything overnight. So which side will you be on? Welcome to Finance Simplified, where we break down money so you can make smarter decisions. Cryptocurrency is digital money that runs on blockchain technology. No banks, no middlemen, just peer-to-peer transactions across the world. People love crypto because it's fast, global, and sometimes insanely profitable. Early investors in Bitcoin saw returns traditional markets rarely offer. But crypto isn't just opportunity, it's extreme risk. Prices can drop 20, 40, even 70% in months. And scams, rug pulls, and hacked exchanges have wiped out billions. Governments are still deciding how crypto fits into the financial system. Smart investors treat crypto as a high-risk asset, never their entire portfolio. Only invest what you can afford to lose. That rule alone can save your financial future. Crypto can build wealth or destroy it. The difference is knowledge. If you want finance explained simply, subscribe to Finance Simplified. And comment crypto if you want more videos like this.